Okay, so I left off here. Then let's go to Gorgeous Fences. So now let's talk about content. Because you had a question about that. So these guys have a little bit of verbiage on each of the, each of the fences, what kind of material it is. You could do the same with the roofing material, find out what kind of, like shingles and, let's see about, I try to find like long paragraphs that I can, copy and then redo. See that this is okay, right? We're experts in the renovation industry. We connect you with their certified builders. Okay, that has nothing to do with fences. All right, so then I'm gonna look at blogs, fence blogs. See if there's any. I like these other images that came up. See, these are kind of cool. That's a nice fence to steal, right? Or borrow. I like the description. Ooh, I could have gotten a bigger photo. Oh well. Okay, so watch. So you got this description, right? Copy. And then I'll just go, I'll paste it here. I'll paste it here. I'll find that vinyl photo. All right, so now it matches, right? And so now we got to change this up. When it comes to fencing, vinyl is a proper choice. Vinyl fences are, and you see how they highlighted vinyl fencing? That's because that's a keyword. You want Google to find that word, and also it could be, yeah, it is. It's also a backlink. You see how this shows up? So this is a backlink. So basically, if you click on this here, it's gonna send me to another page. AG Vinyl Fencing Company. Yeah, you see. So they're backlinking this company to this site. So which is SEO work. That's part of doing SEO. So I definitely want to get rid of this because I don't want to backlink. Anytime somebody backlinks off of your site, they steal the juice, right? So see, it's gone. So they're stealing juice from your website. I'm gonna remove it too. Remove this too. Oh, here's remove. Shit. Remove. Okay, so it's no longer backlinked. I'm still using the word vinyl fences, but I'm not backlinking it to anybody. Okay, so now we gotta change this up, right? So we're not copying exactly. So I'll say like we have a variety. We carry a variety of colors and styles. So you can find the perfect one for your home or business. If you're considering vinyl fencing, keep reading to learn. So I'm going to take this off. Wait a minute. If you should, I'm not gonna say keep reading. If you're considering vinyl fencing, let us show you all of the pros and cons and compare to wood fencing. And let us show you the difference between vinyl to wood, right? Okay, so we carry a variety of colors and styles so you can find the perfect one for your home or business. If you're considering vinyl fencing, let us show you all of the pros and cons, and let us show you the difference between vinyl to wood fencing. That's too much let us. Let me see, let us. If you're considering, say, we can show you all of the pros and cons, okay? And then the cons says also pros and cons, period, and then capital. Let us show you the difference between pros and cons. Let us show you the difference between vinyl to wood fencing. Period. And then I'll put the phone number, boom, 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 right there, right? So I'll publish this. Every time you add something, publish it, because otherwise you'll lose it. And then this is what it's looking like, right? Fencing. Okay, I gotta add this, and I gotta add the content to here. But anyway, you get the picture, right? So that's kind of how the research you do. You can do it as you're finding photos. You can also use Pexels. They have free photos. I think it was on one of the videos. Let me see, fence. So here you go. Here's some fence stuff. Let me see this one. So this, they're selling it, right? See how it says stock? They want $12 for this one, but they have free stuff. Let me see this one. This is free. You can download it for free if you want this one, but it's a shitty looking fence, right? Like, who wants that? This one's kind of nice. This is also free. It's kind of a nice fence. So if I download it, Pexel, I gotta change it. I'll put fence. That's the other thing too. When you, when I did a screenshot, it was great because I can find it on the screenshot. It's gonna be on downloads, and I'm gonna put fence company, fence company, right? I can do that, or I can call it Camarillo fence. Okay, so now it's down here. It's a JPEG, which is cool. I'll throw another photo down here somewhere, and then I can see if I can drag it and put it there. Drag and drop it. Nope, it won't work. So I gotta go look for it like this. Fence company, boom. So there's that. You know, it's huge, right? So do I want it that, and then I can put text next to it to shrink it. And you can always shrink it like by doing this, you know, you can shrink them, make them smaller. But if you put content next to it, You can also do a spacer, like if you didn't want content, like for instance, here's the content, right? So I'll go, okay, fine. So there's content there, but if I wanted to squeeze it further, you can go with a spacer. You see, so now you have a spacer here, you know, or you can put, instead of a spacer, you can put another photo here. So now you have like 3 photos. You know, you can do another fence here, and you can do something neutral for both, you know, describing both. You can do a slideshow, right? So if I wanted to do a slideshow up top here, so I'll go here, and then I want to do just these right here, right? Well, on bottom, I'll do this one, right? And then I'm gonna choose desktop. I'm gonna choose these fences that I already got. One there. You got another one. Then I'm gonna go to downloads and do the other one, fence company. So I got 4 photos. Okay, then I'm gonna just excuse me, save them. And here's the slideshow. See it? It's moving. So let me publish this, and then this is what it looks like live. I know I added it to the back of here, but you can have a different background instead of that fence. But as you can see, it's just moving, right? And you can have a slideshow as your header, as your main photo, which is kind of cool. It just looks more professional, more modern, you know, when you do that. And I can change the back here to something just white, or plain background. See if I get anything with that. Giving me fish. I don't know why it's giving me fish. Nothing favorites. Yeah. Let me see. Right. Save. Publish. Check it out. See, it looks a little better, right? It's not fading into the background of the fence. And maybe you don't have to have anything in the back, right? You can always remove it completely. How do I remove it? Oh, I'm changing the color. Anyway, you have to play with it. I don't want to take too much time playing with it. You can do that, obviously, but I think you can replace it. No, I want to remove it. Shit, how do I remove it? Okay, I know how. Okay, watch. Cancel. Okay, so I'm here, right? I'm going to get rid of the spacer.